So I'm going to change the front and rear differential fluid on this 2015 Crosstrek. It's got about 120-ish thousand miles on it, so looks like a hex. We're going to see how this goes. So there's a little bit of a clearance issue with this subframe back here. I'm going to try and get it seated nice and tight. We'll run the extension out a little bit. I went to my local Subaru dealer to get the front and rear diff fluid, and the parts department told me they don't have any available for this car for sale. They only have it in 55-gallon drums in the back for the shop, so I guess that's their way of getting you in for the service and stuff like that. But I called Subaru Corporate and they told me that the gear oil was synthetic, 75.90, so I picked up some local auto parts store name brand. I got Valvoline 75.90 full synthetic gear oil, and we're going to put that in. These look like you can, yeah, they're changeable. You can put the top on the bottom and the bottom on the top. But I noticed that the bottom plug has the magnet in it, and the top one does not. So make sure you put those in the right order, or in the right spot, I should say. Alright, if you have any questions or comments, just drop a comment below. I'll try to answer them as quick as I can. And be sure to click like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.